Why does your scanner show the P2563 engine code? What does it mean? P2563 is a diagnostic trouble code for the turbocharger boost control position sensor, a circuit range, or performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. It indicates that the performance of turbocharger boost control position sensor circuit is not within the expected range. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 7 possible faults in your car. Turbocharger boosts control position sensor. Turbocharger solenoid. Electrical issues. Vacuum leak. Engine control module. Vane position sensor. Carbon buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers, including Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, Infiniti, and Alfa Romeo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.